Hi guys, welcome back to the channel once again. Today we are going to do our third video on Java series, and today we are going to learn how we write our first Java program, that's hello world. And the IDE that we will use for this course is going to be NetBeans. So we will download it online. I already have the link, so I will leave the link under the description so that you click on it and you download. So this is the site, that's the Oracle site that you download the JDK for the NetBeans. So when you go to the site, you have to accept the license agreement. Then you select which one is suitable, the one suitable for your Windows. So you accept it, then you click on the one which is suitable for your Windows. So you click on the link, it will automatically download for you. Me, I've already downloaded it and installed it. So after you've done downloading it, you install it. You go to the folder where it was being placed, then you install it. The process is normal installation process. So when you are done with the installation, you will get an icon on your desktop. That's NetBeans IDE. This version 8.2. So you open it. It won't take long, like some few seconds. After it's open, then you go to file, you go to new project, you make sure the Java is selected and Java application is selected, then you go to next, then you rename the project. So I will name it first Java. Yeah, it's okay. Then I click finish. Wait for a few seconds for it to create the project for you. Yeah, so it will come like this. That's the package name, then the public class, and the void in the main, and the string and the argument. So it has already given you some stuffs and you're gonna work with it. So the public here is a keyword. It's a keyword in the Java language that indicate that the element that follows should be made available to other Java elements. And also the class here, the class here is also a keyword that indicate that the element being defined is a class. All Java programs are made up of one or more classes. So here we are going to work with classes. So straight up we are going to run our first Java, and it's going to be hello world. Very simple. So we will type that one here, which is system.out.println. Line. Then you bring your brackets. Then you type your hello world. Sorry, this is supposed to be uppercase. Yeah. So the system here is a class system. That's the standard package of Java language. It's the system package. And the out here, member out of system, is an output stream object associated with the console window running application. And finally, the print line here, member of the system in an output stream object associated with the console window running application. And this is the string. That's what we want the user to see. Literally character string, that is the parameter of the outline. Print line, yeah, like this. Let me show you something. So this one, after you are done, then you save, then you run. Click on the run, the green icon over there. It will take some few seconds, then everything will, yeah, so we got it here. That's hello world. So what I wanted to show you guys was the print line. That's cursor move to next line after printing output. If you bring this ln, it means the cursor will move to next line when you are done with the printing inside the console. Or you can just simply put print and it will print, and like it will be on the same line. It won't go to the, yeah, like this. Hello world. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So anyway, yeah, hello world, then next line. So that's the only difference. So I'm coming to print some example that we did at school. That was pretty nice and it was cool. So it was something like this. That's let me copy because I can't rewrite it again. Star. Yep, star. So I don't think it is well arranged, but let me print and see, then I will arrange it for so. Yeah, let this one be here. Yeah, yeah, something like this. Yeah, you save, then you run. Yeah, so I think this just something pretty cool, like just play with it. Yeah, so thank you for today. Make sure you hit on the subscribe button, subscribe to the channel. We are going to make more videos for you guys, so see you next week same time. Thank you for watching.